So I actually had my phone recording at the time that this occurred. I know that I've mentioned this happening before, but I don't think I've ever managed to capture it. I was in the middle of my ritual, or towards the end of it, I was reading my petition, and my oil diffuser, it's already on, it's been on this whole ritual. It started making bird noises by itself, which is obviously a setting, like it's a capability that it possesses. But I didn't hit any buttons, I didn't turn this feature on, it just started doing it. And it's done this before. During rituals to Danty, it's done this before. So I will be burning the sigil. I don't even know how to turn the noises off, so I'm gonna have to unplug the entire thing in a moment. It won't focus. It keeps happening. Vague air, Danty on call. Vague air, Danty on call. Vague air, Danty on call. Vague air, Danty on call.